Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Daily Forex Signals, where we're going to be dropping one video per week. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Musa and I'm here to guys, give you a strategy that you absolutely love. Please make sure you stay up until the end of the video to get all the gems, okay? To get all what I'm thinking when I'm just on the charts, showing you my strategy. Watch the video through. I know the last video was very bad quality. I'm sorry about that. That's on my part, but hopefully this one looks much better for you lot. It's much clearer. I sound much clearer, and guys, gain some really good knowledge, because this is a really good strategy. This strategy, especially for beginners, intermediate, advanced, whatever. If you're looking for something simple, if you're looking for flow, if you're looking for no analysis, no marking up the charts, something just really easy, really mechanical, you're going to love this strategy. Anyway guys, like, subscribe, comment, make sure you tell me what you think, good or bad, okay? Say it with chest, guys. It's not that deep. I just want to know what you guys are thinking. How can I improve my videos, and how can I get more of you to click that like and subscribe button? Okay, go over to the Instagram, follow me, Daily Forex Signals with a 3, and yeah, let's just get into this video. So before we get into the strategy itself, we are going to go over the simple but key risk management rules of this strategy. Okay, cool. So the first rule is you want to take 4 trades a week. 4, no more, no less. Okay, 4 trades per week. You want to be risking 0.5% for funded account traders like myself, 1% risk for personal account traders. Okay, you want to trade 4 different pairs from 4 different asset classes. What do I mean by that? I mean CAD, USD, JPY, indices. Don't know why I said because indices just got their own thing going on. Okay, indices, commodities, whatever, crypto, whatever floats your boat. Okay, just another 4 different complete different asset classes. Next, you want to be using the strategy. Okay, sorry, we're gonna get into the strategy. The strategy is simple. You need 2 EMAs, the 8 and the 21. You need a 30-minute chart on whatever pair you're trading. It's the only chart you'll need. Don't need higher time frame confluence. You don't need lower time frame entries. Just this one time frame for everything. EMA crossover. I'll show you what that means. It's not what you're thinking. Okay, don't panic. This is not an EMA crossover video. I'm not about to do that. Okay, but to give you guys an actual gem. Look for the EMAs to close in direction. I will explain that right now as soon as we get onto the charts. The first pullback into the EMA is how we're going to enter this. So what do I mean? Let's just say we have I need a brush. Let's just say we have 2 EMAs doing their own little thingy thing, and then this EMA crosses below that one. Now if you've used EMAs before, you'll know that there's a lot of times when price will close, there'll be a candle like this, price will close, and then these 2 EMAs will touch and it will look like they've crossed over. But what could easily happen is there could be a bullish candle this way, and then all of a sudden the EMA you thought crossed over and tried to enter on actually didn't cross over, and now you're stuck in a really bad spot, because that's going to hit your stop loss almost guaranteed. Okay, so what we're looking for is for EMAs to cross over and then for that candle to close below. I'll show you a better example, because that probably looks like a bunch of lines, doesn't it? So yeah, that's that. So looking for the first pullback into the EMA. Do not enter if the market is overextended. What do I mean by this? Again, back to my dodgy EMAs. If the EMAs are like this, right? You was looking for an entry, price doesn't quite give you one, goes up and down, then just pulls out, and then gives you an entry here, like all the way here. Don't take that, because it's moved the range that you was trying to catch. You wanted to enter here, right, and ride this wave here very quickly. So if you missed the wave at the beginning, that, even though it's correct and it's the first pullback into the EMA, we do not want that entry. That is overextended. Overextended in numbers for the ones who want specifics, people like me. If it's moved close or all of your target pip range, right? So if it's moved 60 pips on an FX pair, 50, 60 pips, you do not want that. Maybe even 45, okay? If it's moved a lot in your direction, you do not want that, because that's the move you're looking for. If it's moved half, then, yeah, give it a punt. But just know that we're not looking for any high movements. Anything above 30 pips is just a no-no. Same for commodities, okay? Lastly, one thing that's not on the list. Hold on. One thing that's not on the list is, don't know why I brought up text. Double these if market is volatile, right? So the market is really volatile. What do I mean by that? So if you go to enter and you draw your long short position and 500 points looks really thin, looks really small, that means that this market is really volatile. You want to then double that, okay? You want to go to 1,000 points stop loss, 2,000 point target, 100 pips, 1,000 points. I just say 1,000 points because when you draw it on the chart, it pops up as 1,000 points for the people who are confused. And yeah, if the market is really slow but you still want to enter, and 50 or 500 points looks really, really, really big, you want to then half that, half your TPs, half your targets. That same the same thing goes for your lot sizes. So you don't want to be taking the exact same lot sizes, right, on the same position. So don't double your stop loss, double your TP, or half it and then use the same lot size. You want to change your lot size accordingly, okay? So keep that in mind. Lastly, what do I want to say before we get into the chart? Okay, I forgot. Probably doesn't matter then. So cool. I'm going to walk you through some of the trades I took this week using this strategy. It's not my bread and butter strategy. It's not the strategy that I go to, that I use all the time. But I'm going to break down why I had to use it this week. So I trade, for you that don't know, I trade with a OFP funded account. And what's different about OFP is that you have to trade 3 days a week. That is part of their rules. Under the conditions that they have, I find that it's fair. So I didn't have any setups, right? If you go on my video before, you'll see, if you watch it through, you'll see that I talk about my trades taking 10 days, 11 days to set up, and it doesn't always work out like that. So coming into the week, the only trades that I had set up was GBP USD, and that wouldn't cover me for the 3 days, so I had to implement this strategy. And I use this one because it's nice and simple to find the entries, and I just wanted to get through my 3 days and also see if I could make any money. As I was in profit, I thought, why not spend some money to make some money? And yeah, for me, I made some money, so let's get into it. So as you can see, this is what I mean, guys. You want that to close and confirm. You do not want to be entering on this candle. You want that to close and confirm, okay? But by the time that happened, we're talking 7 p.m. So that's my first entry there at 2:30 in the morning. I most definitely was not awake. I woke up about 6:15, 6:30. yeah, so I woke up about here. I saw that and I said to myself straight away, that's a bargain. Okay, I can enter that trade there. As you can see, look, this is what I mean. That's really small. If any of you trade HK50 or indices, that is really small for the pair, especially on a 30-minute chart. Took that into consideration, doubled up, okay, doubled up, and entered this trade and held it, and yeah, so, and I hit my take profit. Nice, easy, clean. Really happy with that trade. The next trade I took was on Euro JPY on the same day, I believe. So I don't want to look at all that because I was not trying to, looking for the 7th of August. Let's go to 6:30 because we don't not want to be reading what's going on. So as you can see, 6 a.m. I wasn't awake. When I woke up, the next candle had just opened. Yeah, by the time I got downstairs, I think I ended up getting in just below my original entry, my 30 pip, and my 60 pip, and the trade literally, I was in it and then hit my TP. So yeah, I was really happy. And then I didn't trade, so I traded Monday because I didn't have the setup. GBP USD set up on Tuesday, and I entered that. So I had that, and then I didn't have to go on my charts because that was my 2 days. And then we re-entered on Thursday because I didn't feel like I was gonna have. Right, yeah. So I entered on. Oh my goodness, let's not start that again. I'm so sorry about the sneezing, guys. So yeah, I entered, the last trade I entered was GBP JPY. Ended up entering there, 30 pips. $60 pip target. And guys, yes, I know I said trade one trade from every asset class. The reason I traded GBP JPY is because, like, again, I had no other setups. I just needed something to get me in, get me past the 3 days. So if you're actually trading the strategy, do not trade the same, pairs, because then you're over risking on the same instrument, and I don't think that makes sense. I had 3 TPs, ended up making 3%. On my other actual trades that I was actually meant to be trading, one position closed at break even and the other position closed at a loss. So, I mean, luckily I actually traded this strategy this week because that really pulled me through. But yeah, guys, so that is the simple beginner trading strategy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stayed till the end. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see. Do you want to see more psychology videos? Do you want to see more of my trade breakdowns? Do you want to see more? Tell me guys, engage with me. If I don't know what you want, I can't tell you how. I can't build videos around what you guys need. It's not even about what you want. What do you need out of this education? What do you need when you come on YouTube? What are you missing? If you tell me what you're missing, what you need, I can then show you guys what I know. So thank you very much for staying. Next week I'm going to be dropping a gold breakdown trade that just hit TP this week or late last week, so I'm going to be breaking down that trade on that and my GBP USD trade that will be in on next week's video. So see you then, guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. See you soon.